Okay, let's take a look at the guided practice. Here on page 381, number 3, investing. An investor buys shares of stocks and will sell them if the change C in value from the purchase price of a share is less than negative $3. So we'll buy them if the purchase price is less than negative 3 or greater than 450. Now notice here, there's not going to be any intersection between these two because we're either going in this direction or we're going in this direction. There's a gap in between. So that's how we know that we're going to use or in between. This is actually a disjunction. Okay? Now number 4, 2, 3, and 4, we actually are going to solve. And I'm sorry, this is actually 4, 5, and 6. So I numbered these wrong. So 4, 5, and 6. So, remember, we're going to make 2 equations out of these. Negative 7 is less than x minus 5, and x minus 5 is less than 4. And now I'm just simply going to solve them. Negative 7, 5 is negative 2, so x is greater than negative 2. We're going to add 5 to this one, and x is less than 9. Okay, so, do I have a disjunction or a conjunction here? Let's graph it. Okay, so we'll put in 9 here, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and then negative 1 and negative 2. Okay, so x is greater than, and x is less than 9, so we're going to write this like this. X is less than, greater than. X is greater than negative 2, x is less than 9. Okay, all right, same thing here. 10 is less than or equal to 2y plus 4, and then 2y plus 4 is less than or equal to 24. So now we're going to solve each one. I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. 6, erase that part. Divide both sides by 2, would be 3. So y is greater than or equal to 3. Now I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides here. We have 2y is less than or equal to 20. Divide both sides by 2. Y is less than or equal to 10. Okay, so y is less than or equal to, greater than or equal to 3 and 10. And then we'll graph that. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here's 3. Solid dot, highlight everything in between. Okay, then the same thing here. Negative 7 is less than negative z minus 1, and then negative z minus 1 is less than 3. Okay, so we're going to add 1 to both sides. That's going to be equal to negative 6 is less than negative z. Divide both sides by negative 1. 6 is greater than z. Okay, and then over here we're going to add 1 to both sides. Negative z is less than 4. Divide both sides by negative 1. And then z is greater than negative 4. Okay, so z is less than and z is greater than negative 4 and z is less than 6. Graph that. Negative 4, negative 2. I'm just going to go by 2's here. 0, 2, 4, and 6. Circle, circle, highlight everything in between.